Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to increase Wi-Fi speed in Windows 10 or 11. If you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11 and you want to increase your Wi-Fi speed, so let's see how can you do this. The very first thing, you just have to press Windows plus R and here just type ncpa.cpl. Press enter, okay. Now once you are, you might see a this type interface. You just have to click on Wi-Fi. Right click on it and then go to properties. Now once you are in properties, you must see this type interface. So you just have to click on Internet Protocol version 4 and then go to properties. And in this section, you just have to enter a DNS address. Just click on use the following DNS server. You have to enter 1.1.1.1 and in slower you have to enter 1.0.0.1. So it's a cloud DNS. You can also use Google DNS if you want to, then press OK. Now your DNS has been set. After doing that, you just have to click on configure and then click on yes. After that, you must see your adapter properties. In this section, you have to go to driver and click on update driver. So click on start automatically for driver. It will search if there will be any pending updates for your network driver. So it will be installed on your PC. So here in advanced section, the very first you have to click on fat channel and you have to make sure that you have disabled this to get a better speed. Now after that just scroll down, here you might see preferred band, click on it and here just click on value and you have to select the maximum band prefer you have. I have 5 gigahertz, so I have selected this one, or you can select the maximum band you have you. Then close this and it's done. So it will help you to increase your Wi-Fi speed in your PC with Windows 10 or 11. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.